Well, welcome back. And here's a quick look at our forecast headlines. Of course, we're going to start it off with tomorrow. Continuation of that bitter cold that's going to be in place, setting the stage for if we were to bring in any precipitation. We're talking snow, not rain. And that's what we're looking for Monday night. We have literally a 50% chance of picking up snow showers. But even if we do pick up snow showers, maximum estimated precipitation would yield us a half an inch at most. So it's not going to be a blockbuster situation, and it's going to be more of an overnight thing rather than timing out with the late commute like the last one did. As we look to Christmas Day, though, we are looking at lots of sunshine, and temperatures should start to really pull out of the icebox by the time we hit midweek, and that's part of a warming trend that should take us well into the 40s by the time we get to the weekend. Just a quick preview. Right now, we have some cold air that's in place, and as we go into the overnight, these temperatures are just going to continue to drop. And not only are they going to drop because they're coming in from Canada, this is Arctic air that's in place. It's coming in at a pretty aggressive speed. So the wind speeds, occasionally gusting to 25, 30 miles per hour, is making it feel a lot colder. So we have feel-like temperatures this check-in that are in the single digits. It feels like 2 right now in Smithfield and 4 here downtown and in North Kingstown. Feels like 5 in Newport. And as temperatures continue to drop off, but the wind speeds still maintain through the overnight, we're looking at overnight wind chills that are going to be likely sub-zero. So that's how we wake up to tomorrow morning. This is the wind chill, not the actual air temperature. This is what it will feel like. 8 o'clock tomorrow, we're looking at sub-zero wind chills for the bulk of the region. Again, as those winds will still be up. Moving through the day, once we get into the afternoon, we would typically hit our peak time of heating around 2 o'clock, but our maximum feel-like temperatures are going to be closer to 4 p.m. as the winds begin to subside. At that time, it's going to feel closer to 10. So that's the warmest it's going to feel. Monday morning, we're looking at feel-like temperatures that are going to be in the single digits, not sub-zero, and we're looking at afternoon feel-like temperatures that will be in the teens. So we do have this extreme cold in place. You're advised to stay indoors when we have cold like this. Also, if you have to go out, layer up, cover your mouth to protect your lungs from the cold. If we were to go beyond 2 days, I would say this is something we would need to think of. Disconnecting outside hoses and drip your faucets that are against exterior walls. But also keep in mind, your car also will need some attention if we continue this type of cold. It's not really applicable now, but it is something that we should be thinking about, of course, now that we are in the winter season. Our satellite and radar, well, we're bringing in air pretty aggressively from the northwest. We have clear skies. Northwesterly winds tend to give us clear skies, and that is definitely the case. As we continue through the overnight, clear and cold, actual air temperatures drop down to near 10 to start tomorrow, and high temperatures without the influence of the wind, we're looking to top out near 20. So moving from Sunday into Monday, we're going to really feel the cold. Monday morning is expected to be the coldest in terms of air temperature, and highs will likely recover in the upper 20s to maybe 30 if we're lucky. So let's all hope we get lucky. Anyway, for tonight, we're looking at temperatures that will be dropping to near 12. It's going to be cold, no doubt about it. But with that added wind, we are expecting feel-like temperatures sub-zero. This should be for Sunday. Of course, now that we're after midnight, of course it has updated itself, but that is for tomorrow. Looking ahead, we're expecting that cold air to be with us through Christmas Eve. Christmas Day, we start to pull out of this below average temperature trend, and we get back to more seasonable numbers as we look to the weekend. Your average high is 43. Ian?